What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted contacts here within your iPhone contacts list. Here I am on my contacts app in here, and as you can see I do have here a bunch of contacts, and I'm going to show you how to recover in case you've accidentally deleted the contacts, or if something happened. For example, you've just recently disconnected your iCloud account or anything like that. Do not worry, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, please note that contacts are easy to be recovered here whether you have an iPhone or an Android device. So in case you are in panic right now because accidentally you do not see the contacts within your list, do not worry, keep calm, and I'm going to show you how to fix it in this video. So the very first thing in here, or the very first workaround, is to actually hop into settings real quick here, and under settings of your iPhone you want to tap here at the top where you do have your name. Basically this is what we call our iCloud account and all settings related to our iCloud account. You want to tap once in here and hop into the settings page. Next up, we want to make sure that we're already logged in with our iCloud. Of course, you want to tap here on iCloud once, and you'll be able to see all the apps using your iCloud as well as your iCloud storage. Okay, so here I do have a much recent operating system that shows me in this structure. You might be having a different operating system which shows directly all the apps in a specific list within a stack. So in case you have this one, simply tap on see all, and in case you have all the lists just like this one right here, all you want to do is simply scroll down and search for contacts. So once we're here under contacts, we want to ensure that we do have these toggled on. Okay, this little button toggled on, it's very important. If you do have that, you're good to go. That's good news, because you'll be able to recover all your contacts here from your iPhone device. Now, it's important for you to act quickly before it actually gets deleted in the iCloud storage itself. So what happens is every time you store a new contact in here, it gets stored here within your iCloud account. So all we want to do right now is simply go straight into our iCloud account and get access or restore the contact. But before that, the very first thing I would recommend you guys to do here is to simply turn this off. Okay, and then you'll be able to see this pop up which says, do you want to turn off contacts? What would you like to do with the previously synced iCloud contacts? So you want to tap on keep on my phone, and what will happen is it's going to store all those contacts that were in your iCloud here to your phone. So this method basically syncs it back by downloading it back to your phone. Once you're done with that, you want to tap once again to toggle it on, and then you want to tap on merge so it syncs both of the contacts in case we do have a duplicate contact or something like that. So by simply toggling it off and toggling it back on, it's going to help you actually resyncing your phone with the contacts in the iCloud account. Now next up, what you want to do is simply open up the phone app in here and double check if the contacts are recovered or not. Now if the contacts are not recovered, do not worry, we're moving into the next step where I'm going to show you how to actually recover it completely. So we're going to head straight into our Safari in here, and then we're gonna head straight into iCloud.com. right, this is the website. So we want to go straight into iCloud.com, and you'll be able to see here this page where you do have an option to sign in. You want to tap here on sign in, and next up it's going to ask you for your iCloud account or your email address, right? So you want to type it in manually, or you can also use here the auto login feature. I'm going to tap here on sign in, position my Face ID. There we go, it's done, and I'm now logged in into my iCloud account. Now in case you find any difficulty here, all you want to do is simply type in the password manually, and then it's going to log in into your iCloud account. So under iCloud settings in here, the next thing we're going to do is simply tap at the top right corner where we do have this little dots in here. You want to tap it once over there, and next thing you want to do is simply tap here on data recovery. Okay, so you want to tap here on data recovery, and then it's going to take you a couple of seconds here while it processes or it loads here files that have been deleted. As you can see, we do have data recovery files deleted deleted with iCloud Drive, but within 30 days only. It needs to be within 30 days. That's why time matters a lot, and we need to be quick while performing this. So now let me quickly scroll down in here, and as you can see, we do have a section specific for contacts, right? As you can see, there's a contact that I've deleted just today at 5:29. So what I'm gonna do in here is tap here to open it up, and then you'll be able to see many archives and contacts that you've deleted from your phone. So all you wanna do is simply tap on restore in the latest backup, okay? Tap on restore, and this will restore the backup all the way to your phone. It's so important to actually check the latest and most updated backup to ensure that you are not losing contacts. Because if you select, for example, a pretty old backup, what will happen is that you might miss a few much recent saved contacts to your phone. So this is how you can actually recover contacts in here using iCloud. Once this is done, you'll be able to see this pop-up which says contacts restored. Next up, simply tap on OK, and you're good to go. You can now hop into your contacts, and it should show the contacts right there. Now, if the contacts simply do not appear over there, no problem at all. All you need to do in here is just perform a forced restart, because the phone itself needs to sync or resync with the iCloud in order to re-download and fetch the updated information. So in order to perform a forced restart, all you want to do, in case you have an iPhone 8 all the way to iPhone 17, all you want to do is simply rapidly tap on volume up, down, and then press and hold the side or power button. This is how it goes: volume up, down, and then press and hold the power button. Now please note that this needs to be done rapidly, okay? Keep on holding the power button for a couple of seconds until you see the Apple logo on your screen. There we go. I'm still waiting for more seconds. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button and let your iPhone turn on normally. Now, if you do have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, all you want to do is just press and hold the volume down button along with the power button. Press and hold both of the buttons combination until you see the Apple logo, and then you're going to release both of the buttons combination. Now, if you do have a much older device, such as an iPhone 6 with a physical home button in here, all you want to do is press and hold that physical home button along with the power button until you see the Apple logo, and then you're going to release it. Now, please note that in case you have a much older iPhone, such as an iPhone 4, note that the power button is located at the top. So you're going to press the power button along with the physical home button until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone device, and then release the buttons combination to turn it on normally. So once this is done, you want to lock your phone and check your contacts to see if they've updated or not. Thank you so much for watching it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section down below if you do have any questions so we can interact further. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech-related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech related issues. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.